Enforcement Directorate tomorrow morning. Any leads being established?
Well, Preeti, it's been almost 3 hours since the questioning started at the CBI headquarters here in New Delhi, and the third day of questioning, well, nobody had expected the questioning will last for 3 days, because initially it was thought that it will last for only 1 day. And of course, let me just tell you what happened last 2 days. On the first day, Tyagi conceded that he went to Italy after his retirement in 2007 as the Air Chief. And he went to 3 cities in Italy, and later on the second day, that's yesterday, he accepted that he met Finmeccanica, that's the Italy-based company whose subsidiary, AgustaWestland, is involved in the entire scam. He met the COO in 2005, that's just 1 month after he took charge as the Air Force Chief. He met the CEO at the headquarters of the Indian Air Force. So these are the developments we know as far. And talking about the other questioning, that's Gautam Khaitan, which is going on. The questioning started at around 11:30. And well, let me tell you who is Gautam Khaitan. Well, Gautam Khaitan is one of the board members and the legal advisor of IDS Infotech and Aerometrics. Well, these are 2 companies which are involved in Indian companies which are involved in taking the kickbacks in the entire scam, because let me just tell you, there are 4 companies basically: Finmeccanica, Italy-based company; AgustaWestland, UK-based company; and 2 India-based companies, Infotech, IDS Infotech, and Aerometrics, which took the kickbacks. And Khaitan, this is not the first time Khaitan is being questioned. He has been questioned in the past also, and of course his name interestingly also popped up in the Panama Papers. So of course this is one big thing which is happening today and tomorrow, as you have already told our viewers, that the Enforcement Directorate will start the questioning. That starts at around 10 a.m. at the ED office in New Delhi.
Right, Sadan, thank you so much for joining us with those details. We'll come back to you again once the interrogation ends. Our correspondent